It's Miss T here from Miss T Beauty, and I'm so glad to be back with you guys putting out another video. So if you've missed me, here I am. Anyway, before we get started, I wanted to talk a little bit about my face as it is right now, okay? So you guys, I have been playing in this Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild that I received in my December 2019 Allure Beauty Box, okay? And I told you guys before that the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 subscription box. You receive one every month. It usually includes a combination of sample products and a combination of full-size products. And one of my full-size products just happened to be this highlighter palette, you guys. So I had to run out of the house today, and I got myself really dolled up to go out of the house. And right when I was leaving out the house, I realized I didn't have any highlighter on. So at that point, I decided I was going to make a really bold move and I was going to try this palette, you guys. And so I pulled out this Moonchild palette to try it. And I know you guys are going to be like, what the heck was she thinking? But no. This is it, you guys. That's it. So it's some purple, some pink, some green, a little bit of gray. And I actually tried this one right here in the middle, the Lucky Clover. I was like, I'm going to try this Lucky Clover color on my face today. I'm going to use it as my highlight. Well, you guys, I had used the pink heart before. And the pink heart is this one right here. And I had gotten really good results with it. With this one right here. And I said, okay, well, if I'm getting this good of results with the pink heart, then surely I'm going to get just as good of results with, you know, all the highlighters. No. That didn't quite work out for me. So I'm looking a little bit pasty. And just bear with me. We're going to open this box anyway. We have our February 2020 Allure box here, and hopefully there's nothing crazy in it like this palette right here, because I saw a lot of other African-American ladies who got this palette and they were all a little bit on the fence about what am I supposed to do with this, and I just thought I was gonna be the one who was gonna be like, oh yeah, I found a use for it. But yeah, I'm not gonna be the one. I'm probably not gonna be the one. But anyway, this is my Allure February 2020 box, you guys. And we're going to go ahead and open it. And right there on the top, there's a pamphlet. It says Allure Beauty Box. I just wasn't going to let this makeup ruin it for us, y'all. I was like, I promised to get out here and when these boxes came in the mail to give you guys that unboxing the day that I get the product in the mail, the day that I get the box in the mail. So, y'all, it's here. It's here, and here I am. Okay, and it just kind of goes through and shows you a couple of the items that are possibly in your box, and it could differ depending on what box you got. But anyway, we won't go through the box, but go through the full book, because we really want to be surprised about what we got, right? We want to be surprised about what we got. So I'm gonna pull it back. Sneak peek. Give you guys that little sneak peek right there. But the first thing I'm going to pull out here is something that I am really excited about. It is an e.l.f. professional brush. This brush, it feels so heavy through the pack. It feels so heavy through the pack, you guys. I'm already super excited. It's an O2 brush, and you can see that O2 right there. And it's an e.l.f. professional makeup brush. And I am looking forward to using this brush because I have some other e.l.f. brushes and they always perform really, really well. But in the meantime, you know, I'm going to put it back in the packet until I get around to actually using it. The next thing that I have here is this Believe product, you guys. It's the Believe in Truth Peach Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Okay, it really doesn't smell like much, and it's just a white cream. And because I'm so low on like all of my eye creams, I'm just not going to even dip my finger in this. And I have on so much makeup, it wouldn't even make any sense to dip my finger in it. But the next thing we have here is Wondrous Glow by the Wonder Beauty. Let's take it out the pack. I haven't had a chance to unbox this box and really know what we have here. They have it in here pretty good, you guys. I don't have anything on my desk here, I don't think, to open it with. If I knew it was going to come here with all these little complications, I'd have brought a knife out the kitchen, but didn't know we were going to have all these complications getting in here. Okay. All right. So, I found a pen top. And this is the After Hours, the Wonder Beauty After Hours. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. Although, you know, swatching your highlighter colors is definitely a highlighter. It doesn't... Okay. It doesn't say, but I'm assuming this is a highlighter. I don't think that it's a eyeshadow. But anyway, I put a little bit on my finger here, and I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand here. You guys see that? And just remember, you know, when you're putting on highlighter, don't do like I did today. Don't do like I did. I was just doing extra. And when you do extra, you get extra. You get to look extra. So I look extra. It's okay. It's okay, because as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to wash my face. It's getting late. But we also have this Bare Minerals here. It's the Bare Minerals Skinsorials. Something new. Skinsorials, y'all. They just coming up with everything. Skin longevity. The Vital Power Infusion. Empower, replenish, renew, and fortify. Okay. All right, y'all. They done gave us 0.25 milliliters over here, okay? After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. Can't get in here to really smell or see what this is, but you guys get the gist of it. It's something that we're going to wear overnight. Some type of skincare product. It's going to help us keep us looking youthful. So we're going to put that over here to the side. Let's stick this back inside the box. If we can. Yup, we did that. All right, look here, you guys. That's really cute. It's some Appeal. It's Appeal. And it's a lipstick. And again, I gotta figure out a way to get into it. I don't have any scissors on my desk, you guys. Makes it a little hard. But this has a little paper we can peel. Oh. Okay. This is the Muse. I think the color is going to be Muse. See that? It's kind of pinkish. Tell you what we're going to do. Because I'm going to keep that lipstick. It's cute. Let's see. You got her. So your hair here. Y'all see that? I think we could apply. I'm looking in the camera, you guys, to apply it. It ain't too bad. Okay. Okay, y'all. All right. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh. Okay. Look. It's actually kind of cute. A little lip liner or something to help spread that out. Okay, we can work with it. We can work with it. So this face, y'all, is something else. It's something to behold now. Got these Pepto-Bismol lips now. It's something to behold. All right, so we'll just keep on moving, y'all, for my sake. But we have the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24. It's a night moisturizer, and it's going to be fragrance free. Come on, Olay. Come on, play. Y'all see how big that box is? Y'all see how? Y'all see how they did this? It must be a coupon. Must be something. Y'all see that? That's all. Y'all see that? Big old box. It's not even full all the way around on the bottom, but okay. I will move on, you guys. We don't want to lose none of that, but, you know, because we don't have much. We already established that we don't have much. Y'all see that? It looked like something that we'll be able to use. Yeah, I just usually don't use drugstore type products because I just haven't had a lot of luck with them in the past. So here we have the coupon is actually $3 off. So we're going to give it a try. And maybe, you know, I need to find products that are more affordable that do a great job. And maybe this would be one of those more affordable products that do a good job. Oh, and the last thing is the last thing. It's the last thing in our box. The Super Beauty Mask. The Super Beauty Mask. Rose blended with Jarrett tea. Honey Jarrett. Selected premium tea and rose extract contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allows the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. Okay. All right. That's nice. We just got one of these, you guys, so we'll have to use this on a day when we really want to have a spa experience. Cleanse and gently apply toner on the entire face. Apply the sheet mask over your face. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mask and gently pat in remaining serum until fully absorbed. Use the remaining essence on your neck and body as needed. All right. So we're gonna look back in this book, you guys. Okay, so this was a highlighter. This is a highlighter. Okay. In the color After Hours. And the retail value is gonna be $30, okay? It's gonna be $30. This is not the full size, you guys. This is a sample size, okay? Our makeup brush, of course, is going to be a full-size brush. They can't give us a sample-size brush. Well, just what makes sense now with it. So it's ranging between $14 and $17 because they had like 3 options of a brush you could receive. This is like the biggest brush here. So I'm going to assume that this is like the $17 brush, you know, the $17 brush. This skin longevity here, it retails for $58, you guys. It retails for $58. And I haven't had a chance to sit down and look at all of the ounces in these because I'm opening the box with you tonight. So it was 7.5 milliliters in here, 0.25 milliliters. I hope you get much more than that because that's a pretty decent size. To say that the full size is going for $58, I'm sure we're getting a pretty good value here. Okay. This belief that we got here in this teeny tiny sample. This teeny tiny sample. Again, it wasn't full all the way to the bottom too. You can see that at the bottom. It retails for $58. Retail price on that is $58. Our lipstick here, and this is a full-size product, is a $21 product. Okay? 21 bucks. That's all they want for it. And it's full size. And believe it or not, y'all, I've gotten plenty of lipsticks. They don't always give you a full-size lipstick. They don't always do that. We're going to take that and we're going to run with it. If you guys hear some noise in the background, you guys know that I'm a mom. So this Super Beauty mask is going for $3. It's going for $3. And if it's any good, I can get 30% off of my purchase using this value code, this promo code here through March 31st. So hopefully it's going to be some good. And that's it. This retinol with the Olay seems to have been a freebie that was thrown in our box. So we usually get about 5 or 6 products. This month we got, seems like we got a lot of products. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3 products. 4, 5, 6. Okay, and with this Olay makes 7. All right, you guys. So that is our Allure Beauty Box for the month. And I'm so curious to find out whether or not we got our money's worth. I'm always so curious to find out whether we got our money's worth. I just can't resist. I just can't resist. So give me a minute here to get our totals, okay? Okay, for those of you who have been watching this entire video, you know I've already said it once that the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month subscription box. What you receive in the box is usually about 5 or 6 products, and maybe 2 full-size products is what they promised us. And they promised us a box value of $70 plus, okay? So I would say this month I didn't take the time to go through and tally everything up. But with the $21 lipstick, the $17 brush, that gets us pretty much at $40. This product being $58 in the full size, and a couple of the other products being pretty good, pretty expensive products too. I'd say that we came close, or we exceeded that $70, you guys. And I know you guys like, well, Miss T being lazy tonight, she didn't tell us exactly how, you know, much the products cost. Well, unfortunately here, my laptop, which is where I normally do my work, is giving me a little bit of trouble. I thought I was going to be able to get us the numbers, but tonight my laptop is not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to take some time to troubleshoot on my laptop tonight. But the next time that we get together and we unbox a box, I will have those numbers for you, because either then I'll have a new laptop or this one will be fixed. And you guys, my laptop is a 2012 laptop. So it's got a little bit more life in it, or it's quite possible, with as much as I've used it over the years, it could be on its last leg. I'm not sure what's going on with it here, but it just doesn't want to cooperate with me, and I have like a ton of other work that I need to do. So you guys pray for me. Just say a little prayer for Miss T. All right. So that wraps it up for tonight, you guys. Thank you for watching. We just unboxed our February 2020 Allure box. If you're interested in finding out how you can get this box, it is going to be in the description below. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys really want to help me get my viewership up, you guys. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends so that they can subscribe as well. I appreciate you guys. And again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.